Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 15th November 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content here doesn't reflect our opinions. It's a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy are on a mission to recruit high IQ small government revolutionaries for a new Department of Government Efficiency. This initiative, not part of the federal government, seeks volunteers ready to work over 80 hours a week without pay. The goal is to cut government costs and reduce bureaucracy, a task Musk describes as potentially challenging but necessary. In a move backed by President-elect Donald Trump, Musk and Ramaswamy will lead this initiative, likened to the Manhattan Project for its ambitious scope. The Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, aims to tackle what Trump calls massive waste and fraud in government spending. Although not an official federal agency, DOGE will provide external advice to the government, focusing on dismantling bureaucracy and restructuring federal agencies. Musk's involvement in this initiative has sparked discussions about potential conflicts of interest, given his business ties and the influence he could wield over federal spending decisions. Critics are concerned about the implications of a prominent business figure like Musk being involved in government efficiency efforts. In the realm of electric vehicles, Robin Zeng, founder of CATL, has criticized Elon Musk's 4680 battery technology. Zeng claims that Musk's design is flawed and that Musk lacks fundamental knowledge about battery technology. This critique is notable given CATL's role as a major supplier to Tesla, highlighting tensions within the electric vehicle sector. Elon Musk's political influence is growing, following his significant financial support for Donald Trump's campaign. Musk's America PAC has spent over $170 million in the lead-up to the election, and his involvement suggests a shift in focus towards optimizing government operations. This raises questions about the implications of a billionaire's direct involvement in government and potential conflicts of interest. In legal news, Elon Musk has amended his lawsuit against OpenAI, now including Microsoft as a defendant. The lawsuit accuses OpenAI of abandoning its non-profit mission and engaging in anti-competitive practices. Musk's legal team argues that OpenAI, with Microsoft's backing, is attempting to eliminate competition, particularly targeting Musk's AI company, xAI. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us next time for more updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.